Hello everyone, it's your friend, and today we are gonna be talking about a few coins. As you can see, I have a few coins, and they are gonna be very interested. Before I start, I wanna show you something, and I wanna let you know that this isn't financial advice. Please trade at your own risk. Uh, because trading isn't very easy. If you don't take any risks, then I don't know if you guys can be successful. Okay, now this is my order. I'm gonna open in a few hours because I have to see what the coin is gonna do, because this is gonna be very interesting coin. I've been trading for a while, but yeah, I just lose my money on this coin. So this is gonna be very good enterprise. And before I go to the order, I'm gonna make sure that everything is gonna be fine. That's why I'm gonna check the price of Bitcoin by using Bybit chart. Okay, I'm gonna normal this Fibonacci level right now, or maybe this one too. As you can see, I just made this one yesterday. It was super good. Yeah, that was super good and great. We got so good test over here, and they were just amazing. Okay, they are just amazing. Right now, I'm just watching to see if we got the support over here, and if we got this one, then I will go in a long position. So, yeah, this is what I'm gonna say now. This is a 5 minute chart, and the better is to see big time frames because this one is gonna be scalp because look at this one. Well, this one is gonna end in more than 10 days, so that's not really safe to trade. Okay, now I'm gonna put my take profit prices. They are gonna be super good and super easy. Okay, this is what I'm gonna say now. Just let me change the oops, I'm so sorry. Okay, this is gonna be very good. The first take profit, and the take profit is gonna be right here. Perfect. And yeah, this is gonna be my take profit. Once it touches here, I'm gonna take my take profit, and my stop loss is gonna be enterprise. So I will not lose my money. It's very easy, right? Yeah, keep it safe, and you guys will trade without having any problems. Okay. Now I'm gonna open my another indicator, and it's gonna be very good because uh, I've been trying to test if it was working amazing, and yeah, I think it's pretty good to try. So why not? I was talking about this one in my previous video, so if you are watching my video, then I'm glad. Okay. Okay, we got this crash out here, right? And I think the price is gonna go down a little bit, like coming down, test and go back. This is what I see, but so sorry. Okay, that's not gonna be good time to enter right now. I'm just gonna sit here and watch what the coin is gonna do. So I'm gonna make this one like this, and boop, amazing, and go back, go back like this, go back like this, and boop, amazing. Okay, this is what I've been talking about for a while. All what we are gonna do is came down, retest and go up. Amazing, right? This one is gonna be 24%. That's amazing, amazing. But I'm gonna go with my 5 x leverage, so I will be safe. Now let's take a look of the Bitcoin chart. What can I see here? Actually, I'm gonna switch time frame to another one. What can I see here? Okay, first of all, let's check if we are in uptrend. Beautiful, we are in uptrend. We see green dot, money flow is going up, even WAP is up, everything is going well. Even yesterday, fifth meeting was amazing. I hope you guys was watching. Yeah, you guys should be. We are watching because it's very important for us. If you know how to trade correctly, it's right. I'm still learning, but it's not good to trade like okay, I'm good. I'm just gonna open my orders and I will win. No, that's not how you should do it. Okay, just trust the process. You don't have to be like professional trader to make money. No, you don't need to really make profit. You don't need to be professional trader. Okay, so what can I see here? First of all, I am not opening any orders because it's too risky right now. Yeah, I see money flow is going up, everything is doing well, but that's not really enough to make good and safe trades. All what you need to know now, all what you need to know is to see the price goes up, the retest and go up, right? That's gonna be super golden there. Trust the process, okay? You don't need to hurry up. Market will never go somewhere. Market will be with you, okay? You see it go up, retest and go up, or it may turn like this one. So why are you gonna go in short or maybe long position when you don't really know what's gonna happen? So sit down and trust the process, okay? I'm gonna excuse me. I'm gonna open my alerts. If something goes up, or I will receive the notification, and boom, guess what? I will go on a short or long position. Let's see what can I see here. It's a very good time. I think money flow is coming down. We were going up. With it, this one is gonna go down, and when this one, I guess, what can I see? We are in uptrend, but it's not really good time to enter right now. 1 day and 5 hours, that's so good time. This is very good. Now we have to decide what we have to do. If we came down, we will come down, or if we do something like this, we will go up. So easy, okay? You don't need to be a really professional trader. Just watch what you are doing. We are in uptrend, right? But I think we're going to see something like this. Okay, now let's take a look of this another chart. What can I see? Uh, Actually, I'm not gonna say that that's cool because we see strong rejections here. 1, 2, 3, almost 4 times. They are what I'm talking about. That's gonna be very bad, and I think price will come a little bit down and again retest. It's trying, like it's trying to break this line to go in another line. So I hope this one is gonna be very good. Okay. What can I see here? Let me see. Beautiful. Oh my god, this crash over here. What's next? Okay, this one is gonna be next. Okay, this is why I'm talking for a file, okay? But now this I don't need to be hurry up. So I'm gonna wait and trust the process. Look at this beautiful supports. They are weird, I know, but they are super good. You name it. You name it. Look at this one. We got strong rejection. Boom, came down. Boom, rejection. Again, rejection. Look at this one, rejection. Ew, wow, look at this one. We got so big rejections here. This is not about luck. spider lines are really working. Look at this one, look at this one. We got big rejections, all the high time price. Well, I made this time. Okay, now all what we are looking for is to see what's gonna happen next, because that's gonna be very weird, because I know if we don't get this support then we are gonna go down. So keep in mind that this isn't financial advice, please trade at your own risk. Okay, what can I say here? Amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off my video. If you like my videos, please subscribe me, hit the notification button and make sure they are on so we will never miss any of my new videos. Before I go, I wanna show you if few orders or you name it, okay, they are about the Bitcoin domination, total market cap, total market 2, gold and Ethereum. They are very important nowadays. And yeah, we're going down. That's gonna be super good for altcoins. We got this crash over here and next support is here. Now let's check this out. Total market cap. Okay, I don't need this one, I don't need this one. I know I'm gonna be successful trader. Okay, amazing. Bam! Look at this beautiful. We got a green money flow. Amazing. Now let's check this out. Gold is pumping. Go up, baby. We will see correction and go down. This is what I'm looking for right now. Okay, they are gonna be super good. To be honest, Ethereum domination. Boom. Look at this one. Oh wow, amazing. Look at this beautiful chart. Okay, I'm gonna remove this one then. I don't need them time to make new analysis. Whoop, amazing, right? I can make this one or this one. Which one should I make? Ew. Boom, amazing, right? If we got this crash, oops, couldn't turn off this. If we got this crash over here, then my um my target is gonna be here. Boom, beautiful. But it's too risky, okay? Too risky. That's perfect. Now let's check this out. Ethereum domination, and I will go. Wow, look at this one. This is what I've been talking about for a while, and we got some beautiful breakout, and everything's going up. Beautiful, baby, amazing. Okay, so yeah, goodbye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe me. This is very important to me. Trust me, guys. I'm very happy to see my community is doing well, and the most important thing is that I want to grow up and I need your support. Thank you guys so much. This was your friend, and we will meet again in a few days. Bye.